I welcome Dr. Gulati, who is having 35 years of experience in Ayurvedic field and is MD Gold Medalist, Ayurveda consultant, very senior doctor from India. And I welcome him to our studio. And I would like to know, Dr. Gulati, about this miracle herb called Tulsi.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. So please tell us something about Tulsi.
So you have very rightly said that it is a miracle herb. I would say it is the queen of herbs.
Yes.
So queen of herbs is Tulsi. Tulsi means the name itself says, which is not compared. There is no comparison with this drug. So that's known, why that is known as Tulsi, which cannot be compared. Tulaj, which cannot be compared.
Incomparable.
Incomparable drug in the
That's wonderful.
Wonderful drug. So this Tulsi is a you can say it is one of the best drug in the Vat Shleshmic diseases, where the kapha, this kinetic energy and potential energies are imbalanced. So all the diseases where the kinetic vata and kapha is imbalanced, we give it in the patients of the influenza, and then we give it in the patients of the bronchitis and bronchial asthma, and even the chest related cancer also. It's one of the wonderful drugs. So we give in the patients of malaria also, and the seeds of this plant are really wonderful aphrodisiacs. For example, 10 grams of this, gram of seed of this plant, Tulsi, this is the Ocimum sanctum. The seeds are very, very good for the, which given with the elaichi, cardamom, and sort of this almond. When we give it, for example, 10 gram of this seed of Tulsi, we give it with the 5 this almond giris, and 3 the cardamom, the elaichi. Then it is we give it in the milk, so it is wonderful aphrodisiac. And similarly,
it's very tasty also.
Yes, and in the snake venom, we give it in
snake venom.
Yes, the person suffering from the supposed snake
bite.
So we give this Tulsi 20 seed, 20 gram, this Tulsi seed, this with black pepper. Then we give it black pepper. Say, for example, 20 these leaves of Tulsi with 10 black pepper. So it works in the snake poisoning also. So it is similarly, it is a wonderful drug for the malaria also. When we give 3 to 4 seeds of black pepper with the 11 seeds of Tulsi. So it is also wonderful. And in the different diseases, when for example this is swine flu, so we gave it the Tulsi, this Ocimum sanctum leaves with Galoe and Kalmeg. This is Andrographis paniculata. So this combination is very, very effective in swine flu. Similarly, when we give it with the haldi turmeric powder and this piper and long piper, this is known as kali mirch, and you say this pipli, we give it in combination with mulathi also. So it is very, very effective in the flu cases, and particularly swine flu. So it's a drug of choice for the swine flu, and it's the very good medicine for the dengue fever also, chikungunya, and so many infections. So we give Tulsi in different, with Giloy we can give this Tulsi in the cases of the swine flu also.
Is it also useful in diabetes?
Yes, Tulsi is also very good for the, it's an antidepressant also, and it is very good for the cardiac problems.
Cardiac problems also?
Yes, diabetes, we use it but not that frequently. It's very, very effective, it is a very good medicine, antihypertensive also. So it's because it thinners the blood also.
It thins the blood.
Yes.
It is a blood thinner.
Blood thinner also. So it is good for, even cancer patients it's very effective.
In cancer patients also. And it is quite popular. I have seen the Tulsi tea and the Tulsi.
Tulsi tea is very effective in the Vat Shleshmic, for example, flu. So that is very good. It's stimulant also, and it's good, gives the stimulation also.
Is it possible to use some capsules or some powder or something?
Certain companies like Plant Ayurveda is making Tulsi capsule. It's very, very effective. This is really very useful. I have seen the results of this Tulsi capsule in patients suffering from the chest problems. It's very, very effective.
Thank you, Dr. Gulati. Thank you very much.